Welcome to the Professional Inspector. Today we're going to be joining Matt Hawley, Master Inspector as he inspects a garage electrical system.
Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. During today's inspection, we've noticed multiple things wrong with this garage door opener and the receptacle, but we're specifically going to talk about GFCIs on garage door openers. So we've got the extension cord up here that comes down, runs across the toolbox, curls into the box, and eventually goes onto the floor. So people tell me all the time, I don't need GFCI protection on the receptacle on my garage door opener. Even though the National Electrical Codes have required this for several years, this extension cord is the exact reason that they are required. Because now it's laying on the concrete floor, which can get wet, the floor drain can back up or anything else, it creates the electrical shock hazard. So remember, for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.